Hey everybody, this is Chrissy. I am putting down puddles to make my swipe, and I've taken my paints. Ratio or the recipe is 1 part paint, Liquitex Basics paints, 1 part paint to 2.5 parts Floetrol, and 1 part water. So they're pretty thin, and just sort of filling in the spaces now. This is a 12 by 16 canvas, and I do want to have a little bit of negative space, so I will add some white pretty soon. I have added 3 drops of silicone, and the silicone I use is the coconut hair serum, and I put that into a little squeeze bottle so I can control the drops. So just 3 drops to about 2.5 ounces of paint, and I'm excited to see how this comes out. The last time I did this, I used a piece of cardboard and really botched it and sort of panicked and turned it into something else. Maybe I'll show you at some point. I ended up covering it in resin to smooth in or smooth over all the funkiness, but I did watch Pouring, I think it's Pouring My Heart Out, the wonderful lady who has that YouTube channel, and I was totally inspired to mimic what she did, so I've sort of chosen similar colors here. She called her piece, when it was done, her Summer Garden Swipe. I don't want to totally copy her, but she really did inspire me, and I can't thank her and everyone else on YouTube enough for putting out so many great videos and tutorial type footage that really helps us new people understand the steps that are involved, and as a result gives us courage to try these processes on our own. So you can see here I'm just filling in, and I'm laying some color on top of my initial puddles just for some added depth once they get swiped, and just sort of trying to make sense of where the colors go so that you don't have colors touching each other and blending and making a bigger blob. So here's the white, finishing up some spots. I love navy. Navy is just so classic to me, and I love the combination of navy and white. It's just timeless. You can see how watery the paints are with the white and the blue bleeding into each other. It looks a little bit like tie-dye, which is, I think, okay. And this is sort of a cool, just in itself, it's sort of a cool looking composition of the paint. Looks like fried eggs on the right there. One more navy, and pretty soon, once I get my edges, we'll be ready to swipe. For the swiping part, I did order some mylar sheets from Amazon, also known as acetate. I know a lot of artists use report covers. I ordered a package of 12 by 17 acetate or mylar sheets, and I cut one in half, and that's what I'm going to use to pull my colors. And I left the top part blank there because it will be, my swipe color is going to be white, and in retrospect I probably don't need quite that much white up top. But as we all know, anyone who does this, that you learn as you go, you experiment along the way. That's part of the fun. Just trying to get my edges, they look nice. And a few more little tweaks here, and that way I don't lose. I don't want to really tilt too much because I'll start stretching my cells, and I don't want to do that. And yeah. Just tilt a little bit. Probably don't need to worry about that too much now that I think about it. And here we go with the white, my swipe color. Let's get that going across the top there. Get that all sort of filled in. Have it run over the edges so I have a nice white, three-sided white edge at the top there. And everything's filled in and touching, and here's the acetate, and I'm just going to get some suction. Super easy, way better than cardboard. Highly recommend it. And you can see how you just don't really put any pressure on it. You just drag it, and look at those cells coming out right away. That's so exciting. You can see all the white on top. So next time I do this, I will make it a bit skinnier, that band across the top of my swipe color. And here we go, the other left side now. I'm just going to overlap about 1/2 inch, and so satisfying watching this. You can see cells popping out a little bit higher up there, so that's interesting. I'm not sure why, but there we go. And the left side is done. Some beautiful, beautiful color at the bottom. Puddles on my pad, which I wish could do something with, but for now, just going to watch the cells grow. Yep, here they go, start popping. Start to appear more. Just touching up my edge, bottom edge there. So many beautiful colors. I have to say this video does not do justice to the colors. I don't know why it looks so washed out, but the colors are so pretty. Hey, I'm back. So it's been about 2 minutes, and you can see the cells are really growing. What I'd like to do is pull some out of here in the white. Okay, I don't want to do any more because I don't want to make my paint get too dry. So I think overall I am pleased, super pleased, just that it looks like a swipe. And we'll totally do this technique again. I'd love to try it with different background colors. And yeah. When it's dry and finished, I will take a shot of that or add it to the end of this video, okay? Thanks everyone, have a great day.